Got a little problem. I say little problem, it's a big problem. The motor's gone bad in it. It still runs, but I've been knowing for several years that I've had a problem. It's been a piston slap. Well, it's got where it's pumping oil out a lot of places. See right there, that's oil coming out from the carburetor gasket. Around that bolt there, it pours off the back side of the valve cover, and it's all blow by. That's what it is. You can see down in there, that's pretty oily right there. That's where it's just gushing out. So big deal is I'm going to pull the engine. I got another one lined up to go in it, so you'll be seeing that next few days. Hey folks, back with you. Got the Lowe's truck out today. Had to go rent one in order to go get this right here. This is my motor I told you about. You're probably saying, what's it all white looking? Well, it's easy off oven cleaner right now. I'm going to soak her down. Not greasy, just a little bit dirty. We're going to soak it overnight. And tomorrow I'm going to get up and I'm going to take this motor up to Talladega and drop it off, and then we're gonna get ready to hopefully drive that Chevelle up next week or two and pull it. It's supposed to be a real good motor. A friend guarantees it, so I trust him. We're gonna see what happens and get this old thing right here uncovered back on the road again. So, stay tuned for more action. Hey, good morning. I don't know if you can see it. There's that motor riding in the back that's followed me all the way from Dothan so far. We're on the way to Talladega to deliver this motor. We're going to stop by the car wash and spray it off. You know, I hosed it down with the Easy Off oven cleaner last night.